Hi, my name is Mike Slack and I'm managing partner Slack & Davis. Since 1983, I've been handling aviation cases ranging from commercial airline disasters to general aviation crashes involving small aircraft. We've also handled a number of air tour helicopter crashes from the state of Hawaii. The pilots who fly in Hawaii typically come to Hawaii from the mainland. In doing so, they lack the experience of flying in the islands when they get there. In testimony we've taken in our cases, we have heard air tour helicopter pilots tell us that it takes sometimes as much as 2 years for a pilot to understand what it takes to make the correct decisions, the judgment, to understand the weather patterns in Hawaii. The weather can start out beautiful one morning and in minutes deteriorate to the point where a helicopter can get trapped in a valley in fog and can't find a way out without colliding with the terrain. It's a major part of tourism in Hawaii, but that doesn't mean it's safe. If you're thinking about taking an air tour helicopter ride in Hawaii, ask lots of questions. Be sure you're working with a safe and qualified operator. But if you, your family, or friends are affected by an air tour helicopter crash, feel free to contact Slack & Davis and we'll be happy to answer your questions.